These are my tempura monkfish bites with roasted garlic aioli.
Howdy there, folks. So today we are working with one of my all-time favorite fish, the monkfish. Now, for the longest time, monkfish was considered an undesirable fish. So much so that it's believed that it gets its name because 19th century monks in Europe used to buy it cheap because otherwise it would be thrown away. And let's be honest, if you see what it looks like, it's really not hard to see why. Now, monkfish has skyrocketed in popularity. One of the reasons being is that it's known as the poor man's lobster, which I think is actually rather unfair. I personally prefer it to lobster because although it has a similar texture and taste, I find it more robust and it holds up better to strong flavors. Saying that, today's dish is celebrating the flavor of the monkfish as we are making tempura monkfish bites with a roasted garlic aioli. So let's get prepping.
So we're going to start by taking the top off a bulb of garlic. We're then going to put that on some tin foil and we're going to wrap the tin foil around the garlic nice and tight. We're then going to drizzle the top of it with olive oil and we're going to get that into an oven at 200 for about 20 to 25 minutes. We then take about half a cup of mayonnaise, a squeeze of lemon and some olive oil, and then we're going to squeeze our roasted garlic into the mayonnaise and mix it together. We then add a bit of parsley and mix that in, and our aioli is done with a bit of seasoning. We're then going to chop our monkfish into bite-sized pieces, and we're going to get 150 plain flour and 150 grams potato starch. We're then going to pour in some ice cold sparkling water. We're going to get our monkfish into some flour, into our batter, and into our hot oil. And we're going to fry till crispy, and there we go, we have our monkfish tempura bites.